Today is National Spaghetti Day. I got a pound of spaghetti there. But we're not going to be doing spaghetti in red sauce. I'm going to be showing you how to make spaghetti aglio e olio. That's Italian for garlic and oil. It's yummy, inexpensive, and fast. The spaghetti is in the jacuzzi. So in the meantime, I want to show you a little something about the essential ingredient, the garlic. If you want a very light garlic flavor in this dish, which I don't, you can use 1 large clove, saute it in the oil until it's brown, and then remove it. Traditionally, this dish uses sliced garlic or sliced garlic julienne style. You can also mince garlic, but I would suggest against that because that burns very easily. I'm going to use my chopped go-to garlic, and the only other ingredients are dried peperoncini, Italian parsley, and Parmigiano Reggiano, and of course, olive oil. I got a cold pan that I'm going to start with. And we're starting this in a cold pan because we don't want to burn the garlic and we want to infuse the oil with all that garlic flavor. Once your garlic starts to lightly brown, grab some pasta, 1 serving. And you actually now want some of that pasta water. Can you believe it? It's done. A little bit of parsley. Give it a toss. And put it in the bowl. Get in there, you. There you have it. Don't forget the cheese. Spaghetti aglio e olio. Damn, that's good.